Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft ice candy with cornstarch. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of cornstarch, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of sugar. You'll also need your preferred flavorings, like fruit extracts or powdered juice. Make sure to have enough ice candy plastic bags on hand for when the mixture is ready. Next, dissolve the cornstarch completely in 1 cup of water, ensuring there are no lumps. In a separate saucepan, combine the remaining 3 cups of water with the sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then slowly pour in the cornstarch slurry. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens to a custard-like consistency. Once the mixture has thickened, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit. Now is the perfect time to add your chosen flavorings. Stir them in thoroughly until evenly distributed. Carefully pour the flavored mixture into your ice candy bags, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top for tying. Securely tie each ice candy bag, making sure there are no leaks. Arrange the filled bags in your freezer, allowing them to freeze completely for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight. Once frozen solid, your soft and delightful ice candy is ready to be enjoyed as a cool, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.